The device includes 2 spare fuses for internal replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder and replace the damaged fuse with a spare. Install the handle holder. Position the scrubber handle into the holder and connect its cable. Position the ultrasound handle into the holder and connect its cable. Position the abrasion handle into the holder and connect its cable. Position the cold handle into the holder and connect its cable. Position the RF handle into the holder and connect its cable. Position the spray handle into the holder and connect its cable. Remove bottles A, B, and C from the main unit. Unscrew the caps. Fill with customized hydro solution or pure water. Reattach the caps, and reinstall the bottles. Remove bottle D. Fill with distilled or pure water. And reinstall it onto the main unit. Empty the waste bottle after each hydro treatment. Spray handle. Detach the solution cup, fill with toner, and reattach it. If no mist appears, gently poke the nozzle with a needle. Connect the power cord and turn on the device. Choose scrubber. Settings. Time, 3 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, default. Press the start, stop button to begin. Choose ultrasound. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, default. Press the start, stop button to begin. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, default. Press the start, stop button to begin. Settings. Time, 5 minutes. Solution selection, choose from A, B, C, D, H2, O2, bottles based on the recipient's skin condition. Suction, adjust according to the recipient's skin tolerance. Water flow, adjust based on treatment needs. Press the start, stop button to begin. Choose cold. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Press the start, stop button to begin. Choose spray. Settings. Time, 5 minutes. Press the start, stop button to begin. Switch off the device and disconnect the power cord.